Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we use Microsoft Office shapes in Word to create art. I'm going to show you how to draw your name in Ramen Noodle. Insert, shapes, freeform scribble. Now go into shape outline. Select this color. Go into weight, select 3. Shape effects, shadow. Select the first one. And click here on the format shape. Go into the second icon. You're going to go into shadow, color. You're going to select this color here. Then you're going to go into shape effects, bevel, and select this last one. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.